Dear friend, dear follower, dear fan, I introduce to you REMSAFE Training and Driving School today to you. Let me tell you what we do at REMSAFE Training and Driving School. We get to train students on driving, class B2, A2, A3, and forklift training. Our rates are very flexible. For B2, we charge 15,000 for 1 month, 4 weeks. But kama utakuwa hujashika, kama utakuwa hujaelewa, kama utakuwa uko competent kwa barabara, we don't take you for the exam. We add you more time without adding any extra coin. Ile yenye utakuwa umelipa, we'll add you more time until we assess you tuone uko sawa, then we can take you to the exam. For A2 ni mtu wa bodaboda, for A3 ni mtu wa tuk-tuk, na forklift ni class G10. Come to our school. We'll accommodate you, we'll train you. We are very friendly na shule ni ya watu wote. Karibuni REMSAFE Training and Driving School, any of our branches, and our phone number is 0758503109. Na wakaribisha, Madam REMSAFE anawapenda na anawakaribisha nyote kwa REMSAFE Training and Driving School. Karibuni.